Hola everyone. This video, as you can see, is going to be a short video about unpacking some plants that I ordered online from a place. First time I've ordered from them. You can see I've already cut the box open, but pretty nice packages. Yeah, it's Grow Time, greatgardenplants.com. I ordered a few. They had a $9.99 or $9 something dollar sale for plants. So let's see what we've got here. Packaging, some catalog, gardening simplified, proven winners catalog. It looks like. Oh, cool. All right. Have to go through this a little bit more. Some of you may already receive this catalog. I don't know. I don't. It's the first time I've seen it. I get the little long skinny one from Proven Winners. This is cool. This is cool. Yeah, have to go through that. Put it back in here. Great garden guide, care instructions. Looks like some kind of little sticker that I just dropped. So, how's everything going for everybody today? Yeah, I get that. It looks like, I don't know, it looks like a little sticker. Hope everyone's doing well. All right, let's see what we got here. They look to be packaged pretty well. They're little quart-sized containers. Okay, there's a Dolce Wildberry coral bell. Fairly good size plant for, I mean, I have ordered from online services. Oh, got a broken online services before, and you get a stick, no leaves. I mean, plant's alive, but you don't get anything. All right. Looks good. Dolce coralberry or wildberry. I don't know how it is with you guys with these coral bells. I've tried them before, and I've got something in my yard or in my neighborhood, some critter that loves these things. And I spray them like crazy with deer repellent and rabbit repellent and all that stuff. Doesn't phase them on that. They just go to town on these. In fact, none of them. I've planted them. I've planted coral bells twice. I don't have any coral bells in my yard because they get eaten completely to nothing is left. All right, what's in the other end of this? Okay, this is. Oh, it's that lavender. There's no tag in it, but there was a some kind of blonde lavender. But you can see it's variegated leaves on it, and I had seen it planted by someone else, so I thought, So I think I got 3 of these in this shipment. Looking good so far. Okay, well, this pink lemonade Baptisia, it could be a little bit more to that, but we know how big these things get and how fast they grow, so we'll see. Where are you, baby? There we go. This is string theory, proven winner string theory. Amsonia, I think, yeah. There's the, it's 18 to 22 inches tall. There it is in the spring, and then there's the fall color of these thread-like needles, thread-like leaves. Like I said, 18 to 22 inches tall, full sun, and spacing is 32 minimum, 36 maximum. Hardy in zones 4 to 9. Guess I should be giving you the stats on these others, huh? Baptisia. Let me pull this sticker out of here. Clean this up a little bit. This is Decadence Pink. Decadence Deluxe Pink Lemonade. They start out a little pink, the flowers do, and then they become yellow. This is hardy to zone 4 to 9. Spacing 4 foot apart, height 42 to 48 inches. Like I said, this is a little small, but we know that Baptisia grow very quickly. There are no stats on this. There's nothing in here for this lavender. No tag. I think I remember it said in the zone 6 to 9, so I'm pushing it here. We used to when it used to be a zone 5, and been recently upgraded to, or whatever you'd call that, to zone 6. I still kind of try to think of this as a zone 5. All right, this Dolce Wildberry, sun to shade, 10 to 14 inches tall. Party to zone 4 to 9. Sorry if you guys can hear the lawnmower. You guys always down here cutting grass, it seems like. So that's Dolce Wildberry. Give me some of the red color in there. Okay. This is a Prairie Winds ornamental grass called Niagara Falls. Saw this on another YouTube channel, and it just looked very beautiful. So full sun, 4 foot tall, the height is 4 foot, the spacing is 4 foot, party to zone 4 to 9. I think I got 3 of those also. That's pretty good. Little plant there. Here's another one of the lavenders. I think this is called Blonde Ambition. Not positive. These are packaged very well. And like I said, I've ordered from online places before, and you couldn't really see if you got anything. All right, I ordered a Empress Woo. Here's the picture of that. I don't know, did I show you guys? Have I been showing you guys pictures? If I haven't, I'm sorry. Hope you can see these from there. Empress Woo Hosta. Part shade to shade, 3 to 4 foot tall. Spacing minimum 5 feet. As you can see that little girl, it looks like it gets pretty big. That's kind of why I wanted it. I got one of those. Something been chewing on it already. This is another Baptisia. Man, those are interesting leaves. Huh. Those leaves are a lot bigger than what I'm used to on a Baptisia. This one's called Decadence Dark Chocolate. See if I can get this out of here. Can't really tell much about it from that on here, and plus I'm sure you guys can't see it very well. But full sun, 2 part shade, 36 to 42 inches tall. spacing 3 feet, hardy to zone 4 to 9. But look at the leaves compared to the leaves on this one. Interesting. I've never seen leaves that big on a Baptisia. And there's another one of the lavenders. And it looks like another one of the grasses. Yep. You know, plant sale online. I mean, it could be. Whoop. All right, that's it. 3, 6, 8, 10, 11. 3, 6, 8, 10, 11 plants. All right, guys. I just wanted to show you that real quick. These just came in. They're sitting there on the porch, and this is actually I think I ordered these Friday. They shipped out. I got notification via email, text that they shipped yesterday, and then I've got them today. So it was pretty good service. Again, great garden plants. So far, I'm relatively happy with them. We'll see how they do when I get them planted. That's it for this video. I got, I don't know if you can see, this big mound of, let me show you here. Big mound of dirt I got to get to moving. Plus I got to cut the grass. So maybe someday I'll set it up and show you, just let you watch me cutting the grass. I don't know. Seems to be people like to do that. And this has turned into 12 minutes. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hope you get in your garden soon. And keep on gardening.